These animals sound nothing like you'd expect. But first, you've got incredible luck if you like, subscribe, and watch till the end. 5. Lynx. You'd expect a fierce roar, but it squeaks like a broken toy. 4. Koala. Looks like a cuddly teddy bear, but sounds like a demon growling underwater. 3. Zebra. Not a majestic horse sound, more like a barking squeaky door. 2. Cheetah. This speed demon, it chirps like a baby bird. No joke. 1. Fox. It doesn't bark, it doesn't howl, it screams, and it's straight up terrifying.